In the framework of the Interreg Northwest Europe Blockstart project, I am glad to present the free training that my company offers to SMEs interested in the blockchain technology. 23Consulting is a Paris-based firm specialized in supporting healthcare organizations in developing blockchain projects. We have been the first to enter the blockchain and healthcare space over 5 years ago and have since worked with leading healthcare organizations. Among our clients, health and blockchain startups, top pharmaceutical companies, European health facilities, and renowned NGOs. As a pharmacist myself, I have seen how concerned patients are with the protection of their health data or the drug development process. They continuously ask for more transparency, especially in the context of a pandemic. So I truly believe that blockchain offers a unique opportunity to create more trust between health organizations and patients for better outcomes. All our trainings are designed for SMEs working in the healthcare industry and curious about the use of blockchain technology. We personalize all our trainings so it better suits the needs of the SMEs we work with. One of the first steps in building a blockchain project is to assess whether or not blockchain is the appropriate solution. Often, companies look at it from an operational or technical standpoint, but a full assessment requires multiple complementary angles. In this training, we present a methodology that will guide our participants in evaluating the entire feasibility of a blockchain project from a strategic, operational, and technical point of view. This step is key in a project as it can determine its failure or its success. In this training, you will learn what is blockchain technology and what are its main use cases in healthcare, how to assess whether or not blockchain is the correct solution in your case, and how to design and run a strategic, operational, and technical feasibility study. If you need more information regarding this opportunity, head over to the Blockstart website, and I hope to see you soon.